Hi guys, this is Forte. It's 1:34 p.m. February 7th, 2023. It's middle of the trading day. I actually just made a video. I had to restart it because I forgot to turn on my mic. Anyways, get out your notebook and your fucking pen and we're gonna get started, okay? Talk about the market real quick. The market is 3 months ago. I've been saying the same thing that I'm still saying right now ever since we put in this move right here when it crossed the 20-day after a quick undercut of the retest. We're also 3-wave down. I was like, guys, very likely we might be seeing a potential bottom. And then, as the market started rallying, we were buying stocks. More notable ones were TGLS. We bought the stock rally up to 200-day moving average, and we came back down a little bit. And then about right here is where you want to be careful. Actually, pretty much around the 200-day, that's where you wanted to be careful. And then we got below the 50-day moving average, which is the green line once again. And then we consolidated there, and then we came back up, right? And then this move right here is where a lot of people got pretty FOMO'd in, at least on my Twitter and YouTube. People were so bearish around this and now people are FOMOing. You need to be able to find that balance right now. We're very like don't just look at the market. Look at setups. Go scan thousands of stocks out there and see what's actually going on behind the scene, right? We've seen Tesla, Apple, they've been rallying, but actual stock setup that gives good risk to reward ratios, there weren't that many. Around right here, there were like a handful. Around right here, there were only like 1 or 2, right? I'm gonna go over a couple, 2 of them. And as of right now, we're really extended. Around 4 days ago, which is the high right here, I tweeted out, and I also posted on my YouTube community. I said, and on my Discord too, check description for that. I said, guys, very likely we're gonna see some volatilities. We might be seeing the market pulling back, and then trying to see where the buying might be showing up. And that, if buyers do start showing up, maybe after a couple days of consolidation, yes, I think this move right here is going to be huge. It's going to be a big ass move, right? And but don't be in a hurry, because when it starts consolidating, that's where you start seeing those monster setups. Okay, so be patient. Don't feel FOMO. Same thing going on in the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is actually the uglier ones. The best looking one, I think the most constructive one, is IWM, because we have tested the bottom, undercut it, and then we made a higher low really constructively, broke out a 3-time almost perfect area where sellers showed up. We broke that, and then now we're pulling up and we're coming back to retest and see where the buyers can show up, if this price can sustain. If the price cannot sustain, well, we're back to a freaking bear market. If the price do start coming down here and we start moving up, then yes, you want to be buying stock as we break this high right here. As we break over this high, it wouldn't be FOMO in my opinion, right? At that point, because at that point people will be expecting things to go down. Market always do things where people expect the least. Now, quick recap on the economy. Everybody want to talk shit about the economy. Everybody want to say that, oh, the Federal Reserve don't want to keep these asset risks up. They don't want to keep stocks price up. They don't want to keep anything up. They want to make sure inflation is in control. They want to make sure everything is cheap. You can say that all you want, but the market is going up. And that is what you care. Because it doesn't matter how bad the economy is. It doesn't have anything to do with me, and likely it's got nothing to do with you. Maybe the gas price is up, you gotta pay $5 extra. Yeah, fuck, big deal, right? It doesn't matter. Yeah, maybe Apple is now, I don't know how much Apple's cost actually. Let's say orange juice, maybe it's $5.99 instead of $3.99. Big deal, you pay $2 extra. Listen, it pretty much has nothing to do with most people when it comes to economy, but what does matter is the stock market price. Is it going up or down? That's what you should care about. And are there setups or not, right? Let's go over a quick setup. TGLS, we're up about 34% on this one. At least for me, I don't know about you. Bought the stock around November at this area, and now we chopped for about 2 months and a half, and now we're going again. We're breaking out of all-time high, and that's where volatilities usually come in to see if the stock can hold its price or not. This is where you want to sell a bit of your position, and if we do break apart above it, you can add more, but you want to be real careful when the volatility comes. Be really careful. Another stock is actually a biotech stock. that I believe with my research, and my research could be wrong, I suck at fundamentals, but I do have people not really they're not working for me, right? But they are my helpers. They have told me that the stock has passed FDA approval and they have drugs been selling and they do have currently earnings in the market. And if you take a look at this stock, it's an IPO stock that's breaking out of the all-time high. We are at the all-time high right here. You can see that the moment we broke that, volatility started setting in, and now we have even undercut it quite a bit, right? Volatility is when when there is volatility, stay the hell out of it. That's what I always tell people, right? And that doesn't mean you cannot buy. That means if you already have a position, that doesn't mean you should sell it all. That means you should start reevaluating your position. You should start rethinking, should I have this much money in this stock when the volatility is so high? I don't do I want to be up $10,000 today and be down $5,000 tomorrow, right? If you don't want that, cut down your position. This way you can hold it, that little position, for longer. And trust me, those little positions, they add up. Okay? IMCR, very good looking stock, insane sales, up hundreds of percent, and they had earnings per share last quarter really positive. They do have FDA drugs approval, so that's where I am like, okay, I can avoid those 100% gap downs. Hopefully, it's nothing's guaranteed in the market. And now we're coming down to retest. We have broke the 20. The 20-day has passed the 50-day moving average a couple of days ago, and I actually bought the stock when it broke here. I have my stock pretty wide. It's really. I'm not gonna tell you where my stop is. I feel like whenever I make a video and tell people where my stop is, the market maker, they come and get you. That's my superstition. So I'm not gonna tell you guys where I put my stop. And yeah, I bought a little bit of that, and I'm looking to add more when the chance shows up. We're having a couple pullbacks just like the market is doing. You can see the volume right here is super low, like 200K right here relative to where it was when it was moving up around here. We get 800K volumes, 900K when people are buying. Volume dry up is always a good thing. We can see right here 700, 900K buying volume, and now we're coming down again. Volume always dries up in the stock when it's selling. That tells me that there are people that want to hold this name. Earnings not due till a month, so as a stock trader, but investor, whatever you want to call it, I'll be interested to buy the stock, right? And yeah, that's pretty much the video. I'm not gonna make this video too long because I gotta go somewhere. I need to go to the gym, man. I need to train my abs. Winter has been making me lazy. I pretty much have been a bear hibernating inside of my house playing video games, playing World of Warcraft. There was not much things to do, right? I hate the cold. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I apologize for not making as much videos as I used to, because I have said this before. Ever since I reached my goal of 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, getting my 1,000 watch hours in, and became partnership with YouTube, I have lost my goal. I have lost my intention to do big on YouTube. That was never really my my thing, to be a big stock YouTuber. Most of them, they scam people anyway, so why, I don't want to be lumped with them. And yeah, and that's it. See you guys next time. Follow me on Twitter for more updates at twitter.com/fortecharts. It will be in the description. See you guys next time. If you guys like, go ahead and subscribe. 10,000 seems like a good number to hit, but I'm not gonna go that hard name for it. And peace out. I'll see you guys next time. Have a happy I did say Happy New Year's last video. Well, Happy Valentine's Day. Go out and cheer your wife, girlfriend, whatever. If you don't have a girlfriend, it's okay. You don't need a girlfriend. You good. Peace.